Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale 2025. Quick and easy. Whether you're after free rewards, gems, or exclusive items, I'll walk you through exactly how to claim them step by step. Let's jump right in. First is open your Clash Royale account. In the top right, click the three lines. Make sure you will use your Supercell ID if you don't have this as how. Go to your browser and search Supercell Store. Search for the Clash Royale and click it. Now scroll down to the button and now enter your code and click Submit, and that's how you redeem secret codes in Clash Royale 2025. Easy, right? If this guide helped you get some awesome rewards, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clash Royale tips, tricks, and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.